There's this massive misconception in the trading world that if you aren't stressed out, then you aren't making any money. Well, for the past month, my only job has been to watch my arbitrage trading account grow. I set up this automated funding account a month ago, and I want to run you now through all the numbers of the first 30 days. I'm going to start with the commission because 30% of the growth goes back to the traders. I get to keep 70%, 30% goes to them. So we're going to break that down first. All right, let's look at the actual numbers. So over 30 days ago, I put $6,500 into the arbitrage gold trader, which is basically just copy trading. And I've just been watching it grow. So I got to about $8,600 and then I had to pay the split commission. So it's a 70-30 split, meaning that 30% of your profits get taken by the automatic trader itself and you keep 70%. So what that means is if you earned $1,000, you keep $700 and the traders get $300. If there's no earnings that month, then you pay nothing. So let's go over the monthly numbers so that we can break this down and you can see how incredibly boring and easy this will be for you to earn yourself. Okay, so like I said, I started with $6,500 and in about 30 days or so or more, I got to $8,600. And then, so I have to pay 30% of the $2,100, which is about $600 or so. And so my total gross was just over 30%. But after paying the 30% fee, I'm down to about 22%, which is still huge considering that the S&P 500 will generate you somewhere between 8 and 11%. And here in my 1 month, I made over 22%. That was after paying the fees. I still walked away with over 20%, which is awesome. Now, I didn't even have to lift a finger. I didn't have to look at charts. I didn't have to trade anything. All I did was I just watched the MT4 account trade for me every day, and I just followed along and watched the account grow. Here's a psychological trick to making money. It is supposed to be boring. If your portfolio is giving you an adrenaline rush, you are gambling, not investing. What I just showed you here, this 30-day test just proved that an established, boring product that proves to give you monthly returns is the ultimate way to gain passive income. It removes all emotions. It removes panic. You just execute on a monthly basis. Just like every investment, past performances will not always dictate future earnings. However, since this product has been around, since the team has put this together, we have not earned less than 5% on a monthly basis yet. So even if the baseline was 5%, you would compound around 77% for the year. Now, when you get those big lifts, like a 22%, well, in this case, a 30%, but I paid, 30% fees. So I walked away with, let's call it 20% for quick math. That is 4 or 5 months worth of gains. Here's what I would say would be a really good opportunity for you to diversify. Continue trading like you always do. Continue to have other investments like you probably do. This is just another piece of your portfolio. Again, don't put all your eggs in one basket. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to give you avenues of passive income. Like I said, maybe you're invested in the S&P 500. Maybe you have other investments through your banking. But this is just another way to earn passively. Video that I made about a month ago, which is right in the description here, will give you a step-by-step on how the product works. So go check out the video, watch the step-by-step, head over to the Telegram group, come over to say hi, and I'll be there to answer any questions you have about this product. I know. This is so boring and so easy that it's almost laughable. But I'll be honest with you, I just showed you earnings. I showed you the commission, even with paying the commission, the earnings that I got, the growth that I got, and the system on how to. By watching that video that I just showed, it will show you how to check it out. So I want you to watch the video, come over to the Telegram group, and I want you to ask questions about how you can get started with this very simple, very boring product so that you can then diversify your portfolio and then use this to gain some passive income on a monthly basis as well. So I appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.